Nonsia akakakra na nonsia boye mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadi no so ya da Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say en nkranshensem a wode abre ya no pedi edu so no Badwam kase ne etodwa mu bi ya obetini piempani ya wo mrahye bedwafie mu so obeye ni obetumi bi ya na LGBTQ+ bill no afi nkona wieye die na yade atum ya de honsem no ebebro Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama so any African leaders ahodo mu bi ahia edwendwen abibiman enkabo mu ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo shine live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com ensem we ni bebre so ewo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni de mientie se de ensem ni chemu ankasa etie Speaker of Parliament Ora Aban Babin na wodi atudwa se obeye ni a obetumi na LGBTQ+ bill no ejina ho sisia no ode ho nsem bokwa koma atani general na wahwehwemu na afa ho anu December no ode aba ene yi wakopie mu Cote d'Ivoire bra woni adehye Ghana adehye bi e wo ho no mo hia yedi nkomo ene ode nsemi etudwa
LGBT bill, it was passed by Parliament. The former president failed or refused to assent to it, which was unconstitutional. There is no law allowing the president to refuse or fail to assent to a bill passed by Parliament. Parliament is the authority on passing laws, not any other person, not president. So he was wrong. And all of you together punished him for that. I am going to write and send it to the new Attorney General and Minister for Justice for his comments for us to resend it to the new president for his assent. So it's not going to take long time. It will be passed this year. This year, we'll pass it. It is anti-God. Yes, I'm very, look, that thing, nobody should joke with me when it comes to that area. I can lose my life because of that. It's better not to live than to live in that society where man to man, woman to woman.
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama kopie mu wo Kenya na okokan bibiman empanifo ahodo ho na wo adwendwen eye ebibiman enkabo mu ho kase no etoso Ochifo bosome wa fimpinu ene edunu nan mu no President Ruto ena wo yi no se African Union champion for institutional reforms the senti obefa sa akonya no so na mpempenso a waye adwuma na duro no ebibiman mpanyinifo a wonom akwakohia wo sanhyiamu na se no wode aton wanim sanhyiamu yi ebema mampanyin John Dramani Mahama akwanya na nimdie a wanya ewo nkanindie mu no wode atodwa na afi etuhu acha Ghana ewo ya wode beboa ama African Union agenda no wadu won botaye ho no wono so wode atudwa wono mo hwe ne mu kwan se sanhyiamu amampanyin John Dramani Mahama ekobie no ebeboa amankita hudi a wobedie nyina no amemmoa ya akono esanse wonom edwendwene akwan a wobeboa ama amaya hodo a wonom edom African Union no watumi abunkuntaa yie na aboa ebibiman enyina Ghana Mampani guso ya wo kasai na wabobo niema ahodo bi so a wobegina so na waye ewo from mantamu ne ya to ho dada ya nwie obehwe so obeto so ne afoforo bi opeso ye ewo from mantamu no wabobo din se obedi ho dwuma.
We've already begun by assessing key infrastructure needs in the region. The whole Denu Road, which is a lifeline for economic activity, will be a #1 priority. We understand how the poor conditions of roads has hindered trade, tourism, and mobility, and we are committed to addressing this challenge. Similarly, the whole airport, which is a vital asset for this region, will be revitalized. Education and sports infrastructure would also receive attention. The Regional Youth Resource Center which has been left to deteriorate will be developed in order that our young people can develop their talents. In addition, we will fulfill our promise to build modern prototype markets in the region, such as the one we have planned for Aflao, to empower local businesses and international trade with our eastern neighbor, Togo. During my campaign, 3 pressing concerns were brought to my attention: the sea defense project along the coast of the Volta region, the Keita Port project, and compensation for those affected by the spillage from the Akosombo and Pond dams. The sea defense project is not just an infrastructural project. It is a lifeline for our coastal communities that continue to suffer from sea erosion and flooding. We will ensure that this project is expedited in order to protect lives, livelihoods, and property. I've asked the newly appointed Minister of Transport to review the feasibility study on the Keita Port project and brief Cabinet as early as possible on the status of this project.
Adom TV Badwam Kaseno eso na speaker Uraban Kingsford Sumana Babena won so de na no ato kan mampani ana Akufo-Addo ni statue ya nipa bia kodwura gu wo takrade no enu so ensem eni.
You see, don't sow evil. If you sow evil, you go and reap it. In any case, when you are alive, it's not advisable to build a statue for yourself. When you are no more, the people who admire what you have done, they will build a statue for you. We will do all we can to stop the moral decadence. It doesn't help any person for us to have a lawless society. But please, leadership is to set the best examples so that others will follow.
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology nene one power rail robotics club ehun to ma wo Lagos Senior High School wo Kenya se wa mantam no mo se be ye mo nkwada no onim die mu wo AI no ebekọ anim.
Pesi ye hwe kwan a ye befa so ama ye ma ene ye mofra wo junior high any senior high ehun robotics so emfa so ye hwe wiase a na ye wo digitization ne artificial intelligence enti ese ye so ye tumi eboa ema ye mofra nya saa suyenhunu na omutumi de saa suyenhunu eye niema ebeboa amagana atumpon.
Richard Ernest Amankwa assistant headmaster Osha administration so ewo Ula Girls SHS oni amani boni enkomo twetwe mu no ene wogina school na nemu eda akiye university ase so ababehye se adwumedie na se owo no school mu honomo oni amani boni samia sare enkomo twetwe mu ene wodi tu dwa se
a club ye ne omo abepa ho entomai ye hwese management ene akyerkyerefo wa nyina ye betimi aboa send ye be ya ebitim esanse prebebre no ye take club ye ti se ya efe hu ne ye be ba akumienu na agiegu nanso no na headmistress otimu edbcc wie bibia na mpo no ehun tutuye nyina no ye ne on science department head ne nyina di hu komo ye hu bibia ekyerese na ni agidwumadie no ehun saa so na kyerkyerefo nyina nso ani agye hu.
Deputy in charge Children Ward Wagogo Presbyterian Hospital ye Esther Santewa Frifa or the other na to Ghana for name say yemra na one ward hono womuni niema osre se yemwa no womunke kan kade ahodo betimi aboa na pomuden pa e betimi de ama yemofra no
jina ward na nem mene mamefo ne yemkura ne nyina da na se bebre e wa de fefe a wo ya man yani so bebre na yesrese senka obetimi aboa ye CPAP machine bi a yede boa enkra omowo home a problem nti eno sa machine eboa ma enkra no timi eboa omomo home no etimi kama nti yesrese senka obetimi aboa ye machine no obeto bi ama word nanka yani beji yankra na omuso omowo incubator no premature babies no so omuhia your friend bibi warmer radiant heat warmer and so eboa ma enkra na omo ye premature no ye wo ma ye de omutuma eka owo ho hye na eboa ma omo so omo apomudi mo so ye kama
enwachi kwajuba ajiman na juma yeni inokwasafo siedu edisenti a otu sa na moyi etudwa
ya na prepi no ye donation but na de obeso no mo trust to nsadidi na ekwan so kokora so oba ya omsi CPAP a ye de omode eboa enkura no resuscitation so a ehun ka bebulu 20,000 Ghana cedis so ono minyafo badman se obe purchase ana so beto ade ama president hospital no we nyina kire the commitment ene na humobro na doya ewoni ono for badman we nye the first time them say be 5 years ni oboa president hospital ma mo purchase incubators then you say the incubator the price etie and so the animu ema owo donati incubators na president hospital and we pray na waye the also be ye de keto akra eni papa mu de da na koma so pa yi sanse ye hwe ebra wa djuma wa di amasanta achum no ebra bebre chips compound initiations awaye and apomudin aso ye no mo de abo bebre
Enya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay de asia seda ne ye wo de a wo mre no wadaje wadaro matwen ye ye de bon krata na ne online de no eto so ye kwaba